And millions of Americans are under another severe weather threat today from Texas to the Great Lakes.
This is all that remains of the small town, Minden, Iowa. Everything is gone.
We're just taking it day by day.
They haven't seen tornadoes this bad in almost 50 years.
1976.
Okay. What, yeah. What scale was it? Do you know? Sorry.
That was the last time.
Lives all over the American Midwest are in ruins, just like their homes, businesses and schools.
This is a tough day.
It is overwhelming and unbearable.
Probably utter dread.
But somehow they're alive. And that's hard to believe when you see this. There were more than 80 tornadoes just like this one, with winds of up to 265 kilometres an hour. Others had nowhere to run.
Holy.
This train driver watched frozen as hell raced towards him and tore overhead. It took just seconds before moving on, inflicting more misery every metre and every second that passed.
Guangzhou launched an emergency response to 2 meteorological disasters, including heavy rain, lightning, and strong winds. Warnings have been issued for heavy rain, thunderstorms, and strong winds in various districts and are in force. Several dozen residents recorded the event and shared the video on social networks, showing the power of the natural phenomenon. Video shared showed heavy rain accompanied by strong winds falling on the area at night, causing great destruction.
Tornado tearing across a highway in Lincoln, Nebraska, and just as terrifying as seeing it, hearing it. Tornadoes tore through parts of Iowa and Nebraska, leaving massive damage in their wake. This is the view from above, much of the neighborhood in Omaha totally leveled. And from the ground, you can see just how powerful they were. Only foundations stand where entire houses were just hours ago.
Ani sindo tuo to koth moya malo. Ne pi kale widei ne. Ingene piko ne dede. Ma piko nga. DJ, KMJ. Mane M-Pesa cha ode. Ordini od spare part ni bingene de. Ordini. Bingene ko gitang to de. Od spare part ni de. Nana pi na. Koro to de ni wa ro wo ro. Ne fortune, koro ne fortune. Yani pi okalo modugo nyaka itawo no wera. Bande. Nene si ne bande. Madei, yani madei matemo temene. Ani yara ne nyuola mapok na neno. Nana ka madam. Ne pio gik nyaka junction no. Ani de yo biro nyaka itawo no era manom. Ne pi laudo Kristo. Kanya ka ge. Ne pi ni Kristo ya ware. Aya jomane ni loko moko. Wan maber.
Jok mani no kaka chude ni aworo ke ngono ka. Akora ko uno gi maber.
Mai ko yiro ndalo mani ni pok no losbin.
Ahora ya de.